This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing a clean slide and centering the specimen under the objective. This prevents surprises later. Set the nosepiece to the lowest power, 4x or 10x, and lower the stage so you have plenty of travel. Turn on illumination and open the diaphragm about 50 to 70% so contrast is visible. Once done, use the coarse focus knob in small, controlled turns until a rough image appears. Make sure you never force the stage upward against the objective lens. Now switch to the fine focus knob and approach the image gently. Quick moves can overshoot and lose the plane of focus. You want to sharpen edges and internal detail. Move in increments and let your eyes track subtle changes. If you rotate to a higher power objective, make sure to recenter the area of interest first and then use only fine focus to avoid contact. Also adjust the condenser height and diaphragm to trade a little brightness for improved resolution. This balances contrast versus detail. At high power, especially 40x or 100x oil, you must be precise. Use immersion oil only with the oil objective and clean lenses afterward to protect optics. Move to higher magnification slowly and use fine focus exclusively. If the image blurs or disappears, make sure the objective isn't touching the slide, increase lamp intensity slightly, and confirm the slide is oriented and centered. If problems persist, clean the eyepiece and objective with lens tissue and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.